Okay guys, we're back. Thanks for watching. Let's finish up. Next step. Looks like they want us to put the spray wand together. Okay, we can do that. Shouldn't give us too much trouble. No trouble at all, actually. Doesn't look hard. I like the illustrations. Here we go, last but not least. Let's take this piece out and attach it to the gun. Again, if you can walk and chew gum at the same time, you won't need to put in much effort to complete this installation of the power washer. Trust me. All right, here it is. It's put together. Good grip, plastic. Again, I don't know if this was worth the money I paid though. I paid about 139 bucks at Home Depot. We'll see if it's worth it. All right, moving right along. So I'll just take the hose and connect it like this. I might use some pliers to finish up. More directions. What's next? Right here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so you'll connect your hose here, right here. Okay, that's done. Just like the picture suggested. You know something, guys? I don't think this SunJoe really needed a booklet or this manual. Maybe one of those one-page direction guides. I think that would have been good enough. This might be overkill. All right, let's keep going. What do we have here? Okay, we're going to focus on everything else. See what we got. Stick to the guide. Let's take a look at the nozzles. See where they go, see how to use them. You know, there's a reason why I don't always throw out the boxes. Once in a while, you can go back to them and they have pictures or illustrations on them that'll help better explain your parts and stuff like that and where things go. In the last video, I told you this hook was for the electric cord and this one is for the hose. I was wrong. Dead wrong. I don't like the placement of the hooks. There's too much cord there. Oh well. Here's a nozzle. 0 degrees. Straight line. This one is much wider. Okay. And this one, not so much. So this is where the nozzles go. Right in the back. The bottom of the pressure washer. Again. There's nothing to it. Next up. Here's the brush. Let's figure out where this brush goes. How about that? Right in this area. Let's give it a try. Got a lot going on here, but I think this pressure washer gives you everything you need for small jobs. Maybe even up to some medium duty type work, if you know what I mean. Okay, we have some more parts. We're going to figure out where they go. All right, this is like your water hose adapter on the right side. Take this off and the adapter goes here. Easy. Connected by turning it like you would a water hose. No real problems there. Again, not difficult at all. Let's take a look at it. Put it all together. Got your handle, your wand. What's this? Another nozzle. Okay, let's put this on. You have to pull down on this piece here in order for the nozzle to go into the wand. Pull down on that. Hold on. Wait a minute. There we go. So you pull down on that. One second. Hold on. Please don't make the mistake of putting in the nozzle without pulling down on this piece. It will not work. Okay, again. This is very important. Just like that, okay? I mean, there's no sense in damaging your equipment before you use it, right? Let me do that. That way you can learn from my mistakes. I didn't do it, but you might as well let me do it before you ruin something you paid for. Anyway, I put it together. Looks nice. Okay. Well, folks, thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.